I'm gonna be showing you guys the top free traffic sources in 2022 to get more sales, to get more leads, to get more customers to your affiliate products in 2022. Let's get it. Now guys, the cool thing about these traffic sources that I'm about to reveal in this video is there's little to no competition and not a lot of people are utilizing it in this sort of way. So I want to show you exactly how I'm personally using these traffic sources to make a ton of money online, but more importantly, I'm building up my biggest asset, which is my email list. And again, guys, if you've been following me, if you've been following any of my programs, my email list is literally my whole business because I control that. I can send an email to my 100,000 email subscribers and I can send them to any products, right? The affiliate stacking ecosystem. But to build that email list, you need to get traffic into an opt-in page, as you guys know. So I'm going to show you guys the best traffic sources to start using right now and to start generating traffic. Even if you're a complete beginner, you have no social media following, you have no ad money to spend, I'm gonna show you exactly how now. Now guys, if you are brand new to my channel, my name is Jonathan Montoya with Passive Income Lifestyles, and the purpose of this channel is to teach you how to build a full-time passive income business so you can achieve financial and time freedom, but more importantly, quit those 9-to-5 jobs that you absolutely hate. I know I hated my job, so I wanted to get out of that. And guys, I want to help you guys do the same. If you're interested in that, please subscribe to my channel because I'm coming out with videos again almost every single day. Let's get into the video. Alrighty guys, so traffic source number one is by utilizing the Instagram ecosystem. Now let me explain how this works, because when I talk about Instagram, I don't just mean Instagram Reels. I'm talking about using the whole Instagram ecosystem. Now, if you guys are familiar with Instagram, they have Instagram Reels, Instagram regular posts, Instagram videos, Instagram stories. They have a ton of ways to post videos on Instagram. Now, this is my strategy and this is what my team is currently doing. The way we focus on Instagram is, think of it as a funnel, right? We want to get people into our Instagram funnel, but then we want them to get to know us. We want to get people to like us, trust us so they can click on our links and purchase our products and join our email list. So the way we get people in the front door is we focus on Instagram Reels. Now, if you don't know what Instagram Reels is, it's basically short videos similar to like TikTok or YouTube Shorts. They could be anywhere from 5-second videos to maybe a minute, okay? But we focus on pretty short videos, and this is just to drive curiosity, right? We just want people to come to the front door. This is not really how we're converting sales. The way we're converting sales is by using the whole ecosystem, okay? So once people are watching our Reels and they start following us, then we use things like Instagram posts, Instagram stories, and we get people to know, like, and trust us. And then from there, I get people to my links, okay? So what I'm personally doing is I'm not using Reels to say, hey, go to my link in the bio. I just want people to follow me, right? So you create Reels, curiosity, tell people to follow you. And then with the post, then you can get people to click the link in your bio, okay? Let me show you how. So this is something that TikTok is lacking, is they don't have regular posts, right? They have like just the quick videos, but they don't have a way to kind of get people to know, like, and trust you, right? So for example, like I said, the Reels is what gets people interested in your brand, right? It's the discovery, it's the reach, okay? Once you get people interested in you, your job is now to create regular posts. So what I like to do is I like to post different things like family photos and things with my students, results, quotes. I want people to get to know me, all right? From here is I get people from my posts to my actual links, okay? This is where I can then build my email list and build that ecosystem of products, okay? Not only that is I can use Instagram stories and I could talk about, things that I'm currently doing. These things are cool because stories are really important because it gets people to know, like, and trust you even more. They can see more of what you're doing instead of just, hey guys, buy my products, right? This is actually me getting to know my audience more and they're getting to know me. So it's a little bit more intimate. And this is what I like about Instagram is we're not only focused on the Reels, we're focused on the whole Instagram ecosystem. So this is something that I highly recommend, guys. As you know, YouTube has always been my main focus because of the search traffic. But right now we are focused a ton on Instagram just because of the reach of Instagram Reels. Alrighty guys, so traffic source number 2 that I really don't see anyone doing is by ranking YouTube Shorts. Now let me explain what that means. So obviously there's regular YouTube videos. If you go to YouTube and type in, how to change my oil, right? There's a ton of long form videos, right? More than a minute. So what I'm talking about in this particular method is by ranking YouTube Shorts. Now, if you don't know what a short is, it's a video that's under a minute, similar to like a TikTok or an Instagram reel. Now with this method, we're uploading YouTube Shorts to YouTube, but we're focusing on ranking those videos for keywords, okay? So let me show you what I mean. So guys, if I go to my mobile phone and type in something like Jonathan Montoya, you can see that there's a ton of videos under my keyword. Now the cool thing is if I keep scrolling, you'll see there's shorts that are ranking that keyword, okay? Now right now this is just in mobile, but what I'm saying is people are starting to rank YouTube Shorts, and not only for discovery, but also for keywords. So guys, this is huge because not a lot of people are using YouTube Shorts to rank their videos. They're just using the discoverability of YouTube Shorts to gain traction. But if you guys are actually ranking your videos, so finding a keyword, using that keyword inside the YouTube Short description, then it's possible to rank that video because there's little to no competition for people doing this. Now, I've used this method not only for my channel, but also for my channel Passive Crypto Lifestyles, where I'm using YouTube Shorts and I'm using these crypto keywords to get my videos at the top, and it's been working extremely well. Alrighty guys, so traffic source number 3 is by uploading your YouTube Shorts, your TikTok videos, or your Instagram Reels and re-uploading them to Pinterest videos. Now, Pinterest recently came out with a feature where you can go and upload these short form videos and we can get the discoverability like TikTok, like YouTube Shorts, but in this case, we're using Pinterest. Now, Pinterest I've talked a lot about in other videos, and it's one of the best traffic sources to get buyers to buy because people on Pinterest are ready to take out their credit card and buy products, okay? Actually, more than any other platforms, more than YouTube, Instagram, TikTok. For some reason, the people on Pinterest are willing to buy. So you may not get as many views on Pinterest, but the views that you do get are gonna be people that are ready to buy. Let me show you. Now guys, this is my Pinterest account here, and as you can see, we're getting 43,000 monthly views. And all we're doing is simply uploading my shorts or my TikTok videos to Pinterest, okay? Now, as you can see here, we're getting a couple hundred views, nothing insane like TikTok or YouTube Shorts, but like I said, the views on here are still getting clicks. We're still getting people to buy our products. And more importantly, we're building our email list. So guys, don't sleep on this method, guys. Simply download your TikTok videos or just rehash your short form videos and use Pinterest to grow your YouTube channel, to grow your email list, to grow your whole ecosystem, as I always talk about. Alrighty guys, so traffic source number 4 is by utilizing TikTok live webinars. Now, the way this works is by simply getting on TikTok live, and we're taking people through this step-by-step process where we can then send them to our links at the end of this webinar. Now, this is a little bit more advanced or a little bit more scary because you have to be on live and you have to be teaching something, but let me kind of explain the process and hopefully this can help somebody out. Now, the reason we're using TikTok live webinars is because of the discoverability and the reach, okay? TikTok loves lives, so when you get on a live, they're gonna literally send this live to a ton of people that you don't know, all right? So this is huge because you can grow your following, get people to your email list, to your affiliate links. Okay guys, so the first thing I do when I get on this TikTok live webinar is I demand attention. It's really important that you get on this live and you get people to start commenting, all right? So you wanna ask a ton of questions. You wanna ask them things that they're gonna comment down below. You want them to like the video, tap on the stream, because the first 5 minutes are really important. All we're doing here is we're getting TikTok to show our live webinar to more and more people, okay? Now, the next part about this is we're gonna teach something very basic. So what I tend to do is I go and show people how to do Amazon affiliate marketing, how to go to target.com and become an affiliate, something super general, right? We just wanna be super easy, super general, and help people start making money online, okay? So what I do is I take them through this process. Again, this is gonna be a super simple training that you do, but the cool thing is we can get a ton of reach with these live webinars. And then from there, at the end of this video, it's like, hey, if you want to learn more, then guys, check out the link in my bio. And because of these live webinars, I was closing anywhere between 50 and even 200 sales a day using this live webinar. It's super, super powerful, guys. Highly recommend that you use it. And we do have a training on that. I actually did it with Paul Griffith. He came on my channel and he showed us exactly how he does it. So we'll leave a link to this down below on how to use TikTok live webinars to start getting traffic. All right, guys, so the fifth and final way that I drive a massive amount of traffic to my websites, to my affiliate links, is by utilizing my email list. Now guys, I'm inside my get response email autoresponder, which is where I store all my emails. As you can see, over 200,000 emails on my list. And this is the most powerful thing, guys, because what I can do is I can literally print money, right? I can take these emails and I can send them to multiple offers, right? I can say, hey guys, here's this new product, here's this new offer, here's this new YouTube video, and I could grow my brand, I could grow my income using this email list. What I want you guys to understand is this is the most important asset in my online business is my email list, okay? If I didn't have my email list, I wouldn't have a business, okay? That's my personal opinion because I don't own things like YouTube. I don't own things like TikTok. I don't own these platforms. The only thing I personally own is my email list, okay? For some reason, if they were to shut me down, get response, by law, they have to send me these email contacts. So these are my contacts for life, okay? I can always email them. And this is what I'm building personally in my online business. Now guys, if you're brand new to this space, if you've never learned how to properly build an email list, because there is a right and a wrong way. There's so many people that are building their email list, but people are not opening their emails. People are not buying the products that they're selling. And I know this from experience because I've built an email list the wrong way. And I've also built an email list the right way, okay? And I built my foundation on something called the affiliate stacking ecosystem, where I could not only make a lot more money with multiple products, but the most important part about the affiliate stacking ecosystem is that I can help my customer get to their ultimate goal. That's the whole purpose of my whole business, guys. I don't want to just sell somebody something extra. I want to help them get to that result. So this is a win-win-win. The customer gets what they want, the ultimate goal. I get what I want, which is more income, and then everyone wins, right? The affiliate companies get more customers as well. So guys, if you want to learn exactly how to build your email list, how I built a 7-figure business, and how to quit your 9-to-5 job, then click on the first link down below. That's going to take you to my 3-day challenge where I'm going to show you step by step, click by click on how you can build your business. But more importantly, you can use the assets and the resources that I've personally used, and I can give them to you guys so you can use them as well. With that being said, guys, I hope this video was of value on my 5 traffic sources that I use to get a ton of income, a ton of email leads, and this is continually growing to this day. We'll see you guys on the next video. God bless.